Hey, welcome back, Hot Wheel lovers. Welcome back to 164 Scale Racing. There we got the Hot Wheels HW Exposed Engines 5-pack. Let me show you what they look like. Got the 64 Chevy Nova gasser. Got the exposed engine. Next up we have the, let's see, looks like a Fiat 500. Like a Volkswagen note on it. Next we got a Gas Monkey 68 Corvette. And it looks like we got a bone shaker. Ain't got a chrome motor on it. You think they'd at least put a chrome motor on it. And last, we have the rigor mortar. Looks like a coffin car. Got a bat on the front of it. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the little preview of the exposed engines. Check out my other videos at 164 Scale Racing, please. Please subscribe. We'll be back later. Thanks for watching. See you.